Yeah, hello and welcome to Wimpole Street Dental Clinic. My name is Christian Mill, and in the following small presentation we would like to show you one of our cases of the month here made in our clinic. So thank you very much for watching and we hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, welcome to the case of the month in November 2011. A case made by myself and Gianluigi Milizza, a dental technician from Italy who's working for us at the moment. And I want to show you how important a good dental technician really is. You can see here the initial situation with 4 crowns done by a dentist Aglio Loco, and the close-up reveals that the texture, the form, and the length of the teeth is not quite right. So we took impressions upper jaw, lower jaw, took the colors, did a wax up, all the things you have to do in order to achieve a good case. And then what you can see here is really just technician work. So we did 4 new crowns and add on veneers and 1-3 and 2-3 on the both of the canines. You can see here the smile line. What we could have done is shave off a little bit of the incisal edge to 1 and maybe reduce a little bit the natural tooth 2-3 incisally, but you can see that the case got much better just by the dental technician. Thank you very much for watching.